Okay, this is a summary of our trading activity on December the 14th, Friday, trading the December contract of the Euro futures contract. And in this rectangle, it represents a summary of the trading activity for this day. Started out the day still working from the previous day at support at 1 and 30.75 in and around this area, with an upward resistance area above this 31 and 60 area to the upside. So starting out in the day, we're looking for this support to hold. So we're looking for some indications that this area is going to hold. We can see here as a preview that the areas did hold. Let's go to the smaller time frame chart, which is what we monitor in the room each day, and look for clues as to how we can participate with this framework in place. So here we are working early in the session. Shortly after the open, prices came down here support and started bouncing off of this level, confirming in real time, just by looking at the price action, that this area is something that we really need to pay attention to. And we'll continue looking in here for clues as to how to participate. We started to bounce off up here, had a little bit higher high than the previous high, not enough to prompt me into getting long in here. I really need to see more of a progressive trend here. We're not seeing it here just yet. Actually, we're just covering the range, which is what these two standard deviation bands aid us to identify. Prices slid back in here to support. We have a long double bottom here working. Prices failed again. This time it dipped a little bit below. Has a little bit of a tail here, a little bit of stop running, which is oftentimes a precursor. This area is either going to hold, it's going to lead a little dicey in here, or the price action is just going to go right through it at some point. And here we started for the next several minutes, forming a little bit of a base in here. Again, a couple of stop running in here. So with a very small risk, we placed a trade to go from support up to this first level of resistance at the upper two standard deviation band, which worked quite nice. It had a nice little retracement here at about 50 to 61.8% retracement. And so what we were looking for is a break to the upside here. We're looking for this kind of an action. Really didn't get it initially. Market kind of fell back, gave us a little bit of a double bottom in here, and then it started to go our way for the trade. And then at this point, the market really took off. Did not retrace enough for us to initiate a second long entry, and there was really not much in here unless we start chasing the markets, and we don't do that, and we watch this market go right on up. But what is interesting, and let's go up and take a look at this. So we had two trades for the day basically, but look at where the market, oh darn, that's not what I wanted. Look at where the market went to, and look at where it finally found its balance, right at the line that we were plotting throughout the day.